Miss Nice Lady, how you doing?
Oh my God, I'm doing fine.
Are you alright?
Yes, honey.
How's life treating you?
I'm going through the poor system, like the people who want to rip off the poor
What happened?
and don't want to spend their money against other hustler. So they want the things cheap. Brother, see if you vehicle can hold between here. Watch me. Hey. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you get to graph out the thing.
Yeah.
Go straight down the line. Go around there. Then all of my fans know the Pokey. Hey, the chicken around the pork fried fish and festival. Bengali thing, now I get the money.
Which one come? Here, no. Give them the website again.
Rocky's Craft International.
Is it Active Craft?
Rocky's Craft International.
Rocky's Craft International.com. Remember these crabs, guys? We're back again with the crab. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure again. Oh, wow. You just finished that?
Yeah, man, just finished this piece.
How much is this piece?
For this one, for 120.
Wow, 120 US.
Yes.
Perfect.
Back in the days, we used to watch a show they call Wildfire.
Wildfire.
Yeah. So this is the horse that used to ride in Wildfire. Same beside
Did
one.
you carve this one?
Yeah, man, that's what I did. It's my personal version.
Wildfire, how long did it take you to carve it?
This one took me 2 weeks. From start to finish.
Rocky's Craft International.
Right.
Can I look at the print of that to make sure I get everything right? Rocky's Craft International. Do you have any print of it? Nice, Regent.
The other day we had Valentine, right?
Yes, sir.
So I was in the loving version. So I went crazy with it.
Oh, bro. Your work. I'm glad I have some time to hold the camera steady and just capture this. So this is dolphins.
Yeah, as you know, the story with dolphins, once they found the one that they love, they never leave. So I just put them in the heart. Same design, different version of it.
I love the coconut tree. Look at this.
Yes. Beautiful.
You did that?
Yeah, man, that's me.
So you
No, a friend of mine told me once that I must not throw away anything. Every one of my wood I've used, so instead of throwing away the pieces are finished, these are leftover mahogany and lignum vitae pieces. So.
Oh wow. Wow.
Right.
Wow. Wow, and you did this one also?
Yeah, man. There's a hibiscus flowers with a butterfly.
Oh man, bro. Every time I see something, it's unique.
Let me show you what.
Where's it?
Talk your man, you're going breast and thigh.
I'm not saying.
Finger licking jerk pork.
Yeah, man, you get little boy.
Finger licking.
We always on a finger licking jerk pork. Leg and thigh, breast and wing, pork and bread,
Talk your
chicken
mind.
and bread. Talk your mind. Oh,
Like.
what you like about the pork?
Nice
I
and
got
pepper.
taste.
You like
Nice and pepper.
You like the pepper?
Yeah.
I like how it tastes.
I like how you cook it cook good.
And it
Yeah,
tastes
yeah,
good. You
everybody
never
can
eat the
cook
chicken yet.
Chicken back on the
You find no chicken from the beach road like it. You do it.
No.
You don't find no chicken no way.
No, only
If you buy
simple one can
corner,
come
listen. If you buy corner bar food, you find it like that. If you buy upper winners food, you find it like
No,
that.
you can't.
You find where?
Winners.
Which part of winners?
Winners no chicken no sell.
Ugly as so, ugly
Only if this your part can't park up a winners you will get free. But
If
no
you get
else.
this a chicken here with the rice and peas, then I go enjoy it.
What you
Yeah.
mean? Happy
So you
done.
not invite me a shop?
Yeah.
Me not deserve a shop?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So you may have a shop here that can support me?
Yeah.
And you know you don't get extra.
Yeah.
Look in the camera and tell the people, so I'm saying best chicken in a Negro town.
Best chicken in the girl town.
Best pork, finger licking good.
Talk your man. Talk your man. Let go wing, versatile.
Yeah.
Wait. Come here. No, me don't have some fans me no deal with right now. Me fans what they have to stop the car from yeah, but we all have to stop with things. Yeah. They are good moment. Thank you. Remember you give a pork and pork to blood. Alright, so alright.
Hey, best pork is in a town.
Remember me tell you. Listen man, shit.
Come in the camera and tell the people. See camera then. A Jamaica good life, a part 2 of this.
Good
Tell the
pig.
people them what you
Yeah,
like.
it's all about the good pig. Make a squid. Income and winkle. Squenko. Chisel.
What you like about the chicken and the pork?
Yeah, I like the. What I tell you I like about the pork? I say pork now.
All speed,
The pork
guys,
always have pepper and ice. See me? So I guess I go on now. Say the pork have pepper and ice. You know, say a real pork that. All of my fans them big up on yourself. Add pepper pork.
So you know I sweet up more.
See that? Best pork. See that? Oh.
Like
Breadfruit pasta, just like that.
Damn.
Man, I want to see that piece of interview there for Wi-Fi, high fire, and low fire. You know.
Make sure you catch
Cross. We them call sugar ball in the town. Yeah, sugar ball and sugar ling ling.
Yeah.
Sugar ball, sugar ling ling. AKA, bottom and this and my shit.
Where you belong, sir?
Yeah, we come from stuff. We come from stuff.
Where you down,
know, with your nigga, a hustle for
Where
the
you
paper.
hustle?
We are hustle for the paper.
Where you
and you
sell?
know we are
Where you
from
sell?
Sell
Yeah.
blackburn pen, we call it the black upper, black fucking burn, blackburn pen. I would say manga lulu. Damn.
To become my food bowl, you know? And then anybody that serve me stuff, they serve it in here.
No problem.
Alright, it doesn't come with a cover.
No.
But it's good.
But if you want me to make your cover, I can do that.
No, not good. Just putting it in a little bag, alright?
Yeah.
Rocky's Craft International. That's Rocky's, ROCKEYS.
Right. Rocky's Craft International. So guess what? If you type in Rocky Madhuri, you will see a guy come up with a skull in his hand. That's the one you should type.
Madhuri, spell that.
Madouri.
Madhuri. Rocky Madhuri on Google.
Yeah, man. So on Facebook is Rocky Madhuri. You type in that, it's Rocky's Craft International come up. It's one where I'm holding a skull. Right? No problem.
Exactly. These are beautiful. I grew up seeing these in the houses. And if you have a nice home, you definitely want, look at the uniqueness of this piece right here. And then you have this.
Lionfish.
You do something very special with your wood crafting with your leftover wood.
But you know what I'm
and
thinking?
you can disassemble it.
Usually when the people come to Jamaica, they say, okay, I want to bring back something nice but unique, but they don't want the chance of breaking it, but they're like, oh, I'm going to break it. But what we do, we make packaging easy. We make traveling a breeze.
I just love these pieces.
So, it's easy. You don't have a complaint, don't have a problem. Even the base comes off. When you're ready, you can assemble it any way you want. At the moment, when you buy it, it'll be yours. So if you want to fill in the eyes and whatever, wherever you want to put it, you put it, because it's now yours.
So do you sell yours to other craft persons?
If a friend come to me, yes, they come and they want something different from the norm, or they get an order which they can't handle.
Yeah.
They come to me and I try to make sure that everybody smiles.
Boom. I'm now at the grate. This is new.
It's my new design.
One no. Explain this to the viewers.
Okay, so why they did this? Because love
Hold it closer to you for me.
No, because love is so precious. I put the heart between the man and the woman. See? So these are for these people who are romantically inclined. This is for the romantic people, the hopeless romantics like me. We can engrave names and dates in the heart. Personally, I like to put my name on the booty. So you can put the name on the booty, say it's your booty, you know what I mean? Different versions, very light. And I can also put it where you can put a picture. You can put a frame here. You can put a picture of the loved one in there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man, new design. Journey.
Go ahead, do your thing. Yeah, these are the famous crabs. Yes, my brethren, and then you have some stuff. You keep up the good work, I'll keep filming. You know.
Still learning it. Just sometimes we do some people
Yeah.
like they're in the country, but they feel like okay, people are going to bite them.
Yeah. Let's see that seahorse, my brother.
Yes. And of course it comes.
All of these, you see, when I get money, bro, all of these little things you make, I want all of them. Because they're so nice.
See, you can take off, put it back together. So you can't break it.
I would want this. I would want the flower here. I want the fish. I already have the crab. I want the coconut tree. I want the hearts right there with the dolphins.
Hi guys. Excuse me. Nice piece.
French. Combien? Vous parlez comment? Speak French? 25 dollars US? Jamaican dollars. 1,000?
No.
More?
More.
No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She said 1,000. No. Oh, this is for the weed.
Yeah.
So it will make it ready quick. How much is
Yeah.
that one?
For this one, give me $1,000.
Good. So put that in my box. So I'm gonna owe you what? 2,500.
Yeah.
Good. Respect. Good.
Yeah.
Come and no say. Trust to get me a pipe from him.
Yes. Sorry.
You know, so I have to support the thing. My lord, man, I go see you later. Keep up the good work. 2005. All right. Salute.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Look at it. Beautiful. My God.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm okay.
Are you selling pork?
Yeah.
This is how you hustle.
Yes.
You
I
keep
used to walk
working.
on the-
Whoa. You cursed again.
Oh my God, what's going on?
You said you used to walk on the beach.
Yes, I used to walk on the beach. This one bring me the best food. The
Give thanks, my Lord.
What is this?
For the marijuana?
Yes, but we're gonna build a pipe with it. Look,
Yeah.
when you
Mahogany.
lignum vitae, yeah.
Real thing.
Yes. I say hold the load. Give me the floor. You know, say we got a piece of Ben. You know, because I don't use Ben anymore. When I start, I do like it. Yes, that is so dear. That's something I want to do like. They're gonna do this piece here. Cover this one.
Yeah, yes. You have a website?
And it is.
You have a website?
No, I don't have a website. But I'm cheap that Coconut International.
Coconut International. Alright.
That is on the page.
We could go to a 5 o'clock meeting. We're going to go 5 o'clock meeting. Yeah? 5. So come. Where's the now? Pokey. Soon come. I'll meet concrete. Okay, mad for it, you know. See there? Mad, you know? You know, I'm going the road. You want to know, say, I'm good. You see what me do? I'm me do that in a red. You see how she drive easy? So I love it, man. Jamaica see that? You see what just happened so? And we do that together. So we're gonna do more things together, Jamaica, and make people's lives better. Oh Lord, man, I will read that car. Oh, somebody that try to kill me, Jamaica. Boy, I don't think we can do this movement no more. Boy, boy. So, Elvis, how you feel about today so far?
Get to sell a good sound chicken, so.
Obi, what you say?
Work, I go on. We are doing it. We are doing it for the people. We are doing it for the love. Now we are doing it. So the red.
Sun hot down here, man.
Today is a good day, and tomorrow will be a better day. So yeah, love.
So we're going down to Woodstock to meet Concrete, see if Concrete done it. Time till my 5 o'clock, and me as a man, I always keep my appointments. Right? And say after you pass,
Confirm it.
I go after the man, yeah. Right? Legends, let me ask that man, yeah, slow down yourself. Jerk, best jerk. Don't lick the car. Yes, King. Blessings. Where Woodstock there?
Woodstock, looking for up on the road on that side.
Give thanks. Slow.
And this
Look
is
more.
side. How you recognize it? On this side?
Yeah.
So it's signed there.
Yeah, man, it's signed there. I also see.
Are the soap, yeah? A soap and so?
Yeah, man, but it's not really ready yet.
When it's ready?
We will soon in the next half an hour.
Alright.
I'm just starting to see it.
So that we see, that's how we see it now. What we see? What you say we see?
We see one boat place. We make out a be a boat.
Alright.
Respect.
Respect, sir.
Otherwise, we see inside.
Give
Yeah,
thanks.
alright.
Love. See the man.
Brother.
You see that, man? You hear the love that come from Jamaica? Just so you know, man, I love the place, the amount of love that you get from the people, and when you interact with them, this is what I'm talking about. Keep saying it over and over. So we had a full day so far, and now we're gonna meet Concrete. We met the aunt of Kevin, and the dog them bad dog. I will help Pokey sell something. Later on, the fellows are going to have some fun, you know. So them work hard today. Help out Pokey. See them two man of them they with Pokey. But we're not in Jamaica. Right, guys?
Yeah, man, why not?
And help out Pokey. So
man.
all the way from Mandeville, when you guys get a ride, you here helping out, right?
Yeah, man. And Pokey push it in, you know?
Woodstock Bar and Grill. Here we go. A 5 o'clock appointment. I hope the king is there. Yeah, man. And yes, sir. I'm glad we didn't miss this appointment. I hope he's here. Our one and only man called Concrete, the first nutty that I met when I came to Jamaica for season 1. This is season forever. You see me? Now we're at Woodstock. We're going to call him before my phone run out. We'll be right back.